Check it out, guys. One of our legacy slide cuts we just finished up on this Gen 319. This is the right side. Sorry for the lighting. We got the top. Come on, focus. This was cut for a Hollow Sun EPS. And this is the left side. It's got a nice legacy logo on there. Serrations feel friggin' amazing. They're nice and deep, but not too deep where you have to worry about them breaking through your rails. I know some people do that. Ours do not. But this thing came out freaking awesome. Again, the cut is a Hollow Sun EPS. This cut here for a 19, 17,